I'm Juliet. Not every writer is a planner. I'm not. But if you are, Scrivener 3 for Windows has the perfect feature for you. The corkboard. The corkboard can be accessed by clicking into the binder on a container item. More on that in a second. And then selecting the table-like icon on the toolbar. You will see here what looks like an index card. There is one index card for every folder and every document. Most of the time you'll only see the cards for the contents of a folder, or any binder item that contains other items. So, at the manuscript level, you might see the chapter folders. At the chapter level, you'll see the scenes or sections. All index cards are named the same as the items in the binder. You can type into the cards and change the titles and the text. Although the title comes from the binder, the text does not. The text on the page is different. Now let's bring up the inspector, the blue eye icon. If you click on the notes icon, which looks like a notepad, you'll see a synopsis box appears. The synopsis box and the index card text are one and the same thing. By that I mean typing into one will change the other, so you can add information in either place. You'll notice that by default you cannot put returns in your corkboard, but you can in the synopsis. If you want to check out how to put returns directly in index cards, I'll link that video at the end. I'll also link a video on how to change some of the display defaults. Now, there are a few different ways you can view the corkboard, and these are at the bottom right of the screen. The first option is where you start off. That's the cards displayed in a grid. The second option is a freeform format, where you can move the cards around, say if you were trying to reorganize your manuscript order, but you weren't sure about the changes yet. This does not affect the binder order unless you click on Commit, so be sure you've got the order right before doing that, or you'll need to start again. We're going to skip organising by label as it's unlikely you'll have selected any of those yet. The final icon allows you to change the size of the cards and number across the screen. Some of these do conflict with each other, so choose what's most important. Don't worry about keyword chips, that's another labelling function. You can add new index cards by adding elements in the binder or by right-clicking within the corkboard. I have a ton of other corkboard videos where I gradually pick apart all the corkboard features, discovering new things along the way. But hopefully these basics will get you through those initial planning stages.